my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a page in my Catch-All Planner, which is Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So I'm going to go ahead and create a page with you guys. This is for the week of May 26th through June 1st. I can't believe we're into June. And yes, this planner is so full, the pages get bent all the time. So today I'm going to be doing something slightly different. I have a pet party here. I also have Posh Party, and I have printed Westie stickers. So this is Toa's official second birthday, and I can't wait to create a spread with all the dogs in it. As you guys probably already know, I am fully obsessed with my dog, so this is why this is happening. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I am so grateful for you being here. Last year for his birthday, I did use the Posh Party with the pet party stuff in it. So I'm not sure whether I want to do the same thing this year, but probably not. So I'm just looking to see what else is in here. But look how cute that pet party is. So yeah, let's keep going. I might use the boy, I might use something else, I might not use anything. So we shall see how this kind of pans out. My Westie stickers are quite large, so I want to make sure I get at least a couple of them in here. But yeah, that's kind of the plan, and we're gonna go from here. So let's see what I can do. Oh my gosh. Whenever there's like something big going on in my life like this, because I am so obsessed with him, I think I put extra pressure on myself into creating spreads, because again, this is like an important week in my life or his life. I'm not sure. Like, I know I treat him like a child, but you know, I love him so much, so I can't help it. Okay, I'm thinking of which boxes to use, and I think I'm gonna use these big like bubbles here because Westies are kind of white and black, so it might go well. I'm getting ready. So I have my stencil, which needs to be cleaned. I'll do that at some point. I have boxes, and I'm gonna use some boxes, and then all the stickers. So I don't know even where to start today. So let me go ahead and start with the actual to-do list, right? Because that is kind of how I plan every single time. So I'm going to start with to-do list. I'm going to alternate boxes like up and middle. I don't know how that's going to look because I don't know what I'm doing yet. I usually have a pretty significant plan going into planning, or I know at least kind of what I want to do, and everything flows. Today, like I said, I feel so much pressure on myself, like putting on myself to make this kind of different and cute, and I don't know. Do you guys ever like put pressure on yourself to have the perfect spread and have the perfect stickers? And I don't know. I usually don't, but today I feel it. Okay, so Sunday checklist, and then we can move on with other stuff. So yeah, these are all so cute. I really don't know like which one to use. I do want this big one. Look how cute they are. Like they look like stuffed animals. Um, and that is so adorable. So these images are from Etsy. I purchased them and then I cut them with my Cricut. And I am like obsessed with all of this. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna add one like event box to every day. I'm gonna add those smaller boxes that I keep my like time for work in there. So I'm gonna do both. So I'm just adding them for right now. Okay, so we have a box on every day. Now we can move on to the smaller ones and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm adding the smaller ones. I need Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And we'll go from there. So let's see. Okay, so that looks good. And now, let me see. I want to add a couple of these really elegant girls from the pet party from Easter Case. You guys are shopping at Easter Case, you can use code KASIA, KASIA, for 12% off. I really appreciate anytime you guys use my code. It just makes me so happy that you guys are enjoying the same stickers that I am. So yeah, I'm very thankful for all of you. So let's get going and add some more stickers before I lose my mind here. Like I said, this is usually pretty easy for me. So the fact that I'm struggling so much with this spread just tells me how much pressure I have put on myself. And again, if I don't like it, I can always cover it or make another spread. Like, I don't know why I'm feeling this way, but I am. So there's that. Look at that drinking one, so cute. All of these are so cute, you guys. Like, I can't. I'm gonna use this little baby one. Look at that. Eee, so cute. So let's put him on. No, I don't know where. I don't know what like I kind of want a big one. Let's get this running one too. Hmm. Oh my god, look at the one with the two balls. But he's a grown up now, so I can't. Okay, I'm gonna use the other Westie in bed. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and put him in like so. Look how cute they are. Oh my lord. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so yeah. I cut off the bottom of that, and for right now, that's what it is. I'm gonna put the running Westie right here, and then the other little guy right here. Look how cute they are. Don't they look like teddy bears? Oh my gosh, so adorable. And now I'm gonna add a couple of stickers from the pet party, I think. And I'm gonna figure out if I can add anything from the Live Love Posh one. So, oh, maybe I can use one of these numbers to signify his second birthday. I don't know if I want to introduce yellow into here or not, but it is what it is. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, you guys. Okay, so let's add this right here. How about Tuesday? His birthday is on the 26th, which is fine. So, okay. So much pressure. No, that's too much color for me for this one. I kind of want to keep it very like neutral, so then those Westies can stand out and they're not like distracted by all the other colors in the spread. Does that make sense? Okay. How about we add this girl right there into the spread just so like we have some other elements than doggies? What do you guys think? Hmm, the struggle is real. So for his birthday, I did make him bandanas that say it's my birthday. So we'll put that on him when we take him to a dog restaurant. Um, and that restaurant serves humans and dogs. They have both of the menus. So kind of fun and different. And like he will get to kind of walk around and sniff and have fun. I want him to have a great birthday. And then for his daycare when he goes, I do have another bandana for him. So yeah, that will be super fun. I probably will post on Instagram so you guys can see. So if you follow me, you probably will see some pictures of Toa or Totos, as I call him, on Monday. So yeah, if you are not following me, I would really appreciate if you would do so, and always interact with like pictures when I post my personal stuff. I don't share very often, but when I do, I really appreciate all of your guys' engagement. So yeah. I put this thing in the sidebar mostly because I want to be able to write out all the things I need to do this week. Um, Sometimes that gets lost in translation when I put it on like a particular day. A lot of those items don't have to be, they don't have to be on a particular day. They just need to be done at some point during the week. So those can go on the actual um like sidebar, and then I can plug them in as I need to. Okay, so for right now, how about I add some washi tape? Like I think, I don't know, I have so many washies. I should not washi tape, pet tape, PET tape. So I'm just gonna use like maybe this. Let's see, because that's like a good neutral. That would work. And what about this one too? Like I have to cut them up. But other than that, I think they're really, really good. Yeah, let's put this away. The only thing that kind of bugs me about this is, like I said, that they're not pre-cut, so I have to do that myself. But like in a retrospect, is not a big deal. The easiest way for me to do that is take a the Girl Cut. It is linked in my Amazon, and then I just have a sticky mat, so then the PET tape is not moving, and then I can cut it all around. It works just like a pen. It's pretty magical. And then when I cut these, I can place them into my planner. So you guys let me know what you think about the spread so far. I know it's kind of crazy and a little bit of everything. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping the blue doggy house in there because, like I said, the color is not matching. For right now, I'm leaving it. But like down the line, if I'm writing in it and it's bugging me, there's a pretty big chance that I'm going to be switching it, just so you guys know. So when you see my flip through at the end of the month after the pan, it might look completely different than it did today. So, it happens to me. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up some of these florals and I'm going to set them accordingly. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to go ahead and cut this in half and maybe put it into these elements right here. So I'm going to put it on the edge of Sunday. Yes, it will take a little bit of my writing space, but I think it will bring a little bit of that brown up from the girls. Yeah, and I think that looks pretty good. Outside of being a little shiny, I think it looks pretty fabulous. So yeah. Okay, we keep going. I'm gonna add a couple more little elements here and there. And I think that might work pretty beautifully. And then I want to cut the other pet tape too maybe, and then see if that will work. So I don't know. So let's add this one. Okay, so far so good. And I do like the brown in the other flowers. So I'm gonna cut at least one of those and place it in here as well. I will see if I have more room, but I don't think so. So let's take a look together. But look how beautiful like these florals are. They look like they have a pearl inside. They're just stunning. I kind of want to take advantage of those pet tapes because the coloring in this, I think will look pretty good between the white and the browns. So a little bit different. Yeah, I don't know how that's going to look because, like I said, I'm making kind of like a Mod Podge of so many things. Usually I'm pretty structured, so we're gonna see what happens. But these are stunning. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in like so. I'm gonna cut that maybe in half. Let's see. Yeah, that works. Even though it's overlapping slightly, I think I'm gonna be okay with that. And I'm gonna take this bigger one and put it right underneath that running Westie. And I think I'm gonna call it a day. There's not much more to do outside of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on it. But like I said, I usually add or remove things as I go filling this out anyway, because a lot of times it doesn't feel right. So this is my birthday spread for my little Westie. Let me know what you guys think. It's so different. But yeah, I love it. So I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for hanging out. I can't wait to share pictures of my dog with you guys. And I hope you guys have an amazing week and happy Memorial Day. Bye.